on Sunday, but we'll communicate. It will have to be here because of so once more, my sincerest apologies for Pastori Gauteng. I said I will determine the time with the SGB, because if I have to call parents meeting, I must consult the SGB because they're the one that are leading the school. So I'll give you the time after. So before you go to bed this evening, through the communication network of the school, they will give you all the details. But I want to apologize. Yeah, I want to apologize for that. As I said, it was the way that was not me that I was delaying. You could not drive through. It was a very dangerous storm when I was coming this side. Exactly this storm, we came with it from where we are coming from. So my sincerest apologies once more. So I'll speak to you.